Out water, crews have also been seen out to make sure the road is safe to travel on.
A teacher at Louis Riel School Division has come up with a creative way for students to send Valentines. Seeing so many things canceled during the pandemic, digital media teacher Matt Kolpitz wanted to make sure students got to celebrate Valentine's Day. His solution, virtual Valentines. Using Adobe Spark, students are trying their hand at graphic design and creating online cards. Kolpitz says the students can create a full multimedia experience, restricted only by their imaginations.
So really, their creativity with it it's very open-ended, and they're limited by their imagination. They'll have a stream channel.
Once completed, students can send the Valentines to anyone they choose using a link. What a great idea for those kids.
It is a great idea, yeah. Now, Rochelle, you're going to be telling us about an important resource for kids and families when it comes to abuse and violence in the home.
Yeah, absolutely.